The wells are located by the middle school, and they're 150 feet deep. And the water is, we think generally more pure because of that, although it does have those minerals like calcium and magnesium salt. And so a lot of my neighbors do have systems to get the water softer. And yes, that's why all my glasses have those white spots on them. Okay. We tap into the Buried Valley Aquifer system, which to the north is Montville, to the west is the Highlands system, to the south and east is Watchung Mountain. So it's that big. And there are 26 municipalities that get water from that. We started this in the late 1890s with the wells, but from like 1930 to 1970, the wells did drop 31 feet. And that's due to the increase in population and the increase of impervious surfaces, the roads, sidewalks, and buildings. Just as long ago, well, as short ago as 1995, one of the wells dropped 15 feet.